Welcome back to Rosie on the House, where we're answering any and every question you might have about indoor air comfort with our experts from Night Air Conditioning. And before we let them escape the studio, Carissa.
Yes.
The $1,000,000 question. Do I repair or do I replace? Because it can be a big ticket.
It can, and we take this question really seriously. For us, there are some major factors. The first one is age, right? We want to see, do you still have any warranty left in this machine? What's the availability of parts? What's the probability that if we do a major repair right now, you're going to be up against a major repair again within several months, right? So that's why age is a huge factor. A second factor we look at is cost. What is the cost of this repair? Have we been doing costly repairs on this machine? Again, what is the probability that we're going to have more costly repairs? Once we start getting up into the thousands for a repair, that's when we start comparing it to see, hey, are we looking towards replacement? And then the third factor that we measure every time is what type of repair is this? For us, a refrigerant repair, we have this word, this catastrophic failure, right? A refrigerant repair, to me, we're approaching catastrophic failure, whereas a mechanical repair, a motor, a capacitor, those are things we're probably going to fix that even if you have a really old air conditioner.
And the electrical stuff versus mechanical. A refrigerant leak in our 22 system now, we just say, well, if you have a leak and we fix that leak, the chance of having another leak, once they start leaking, they're going to keep leaking. And you don't want to do that at the price of refrigerant. When you pay the price of refrigerant, you just paid a down payment on a new air conditioner.
And Linda, our prior caller, is a perfect example of what we're talking about. Yeah. She has an older piece of equipment that's not working, and you wouldn't diagnose over the air, but you almost did. It could be something it could be a capacitor.
Exactly.
And I'd love for her to be a Rosie on Now's blind shopper. And I'd love to give her a list of contractors to call and get quotes, because I'll bet you 9 out of the 10 techs that show up at her house are going to recommend, without even checking the equipment, you need a new air conditioner.
As soon as she said old Gettle, I thought, that's fixable. We can fix that. I can take care of that.
Man, oh man.